2-3 dispatch. Who's available right now?
Hi, sir.
Go ahead. Dispatch, get a call for City Hall. There's going to be people out there recording and also looking into vehicles with recorders.
I'm just receiving the call from the security company at this moment.
Copy that.
5-7, copy call for a silent panic alarm at 112 Bowman, 112 Bowman at the City Hall.
2357, just be tactful. They have cameras.
Have them repeat.
Be tactful. They have cameras.
I copy.
All right, people. We're here at Kirby City Hall. Got Texas Sheepdog with me.
What's up, guy?
We're going to be doing a First Amendment audit and as well getting an open records request and hopefully a officer complaint form for a previous interaction that I was involved with. And we are going to see if they respect our rights to record in public. And we're going to see how this goes today. And yeah.
Hey, man, let me tell you, man. Give a shout out to this guy. Truth be told, right?
Truth be told audits.
You know, I saw him get detained by Kirby Police Department a little while back, and they detained him, and it was obvious that why the officer detained him. He detained him basically for filming. Said it was interfering. He didn't get arrested, but he got handcuffed and put in the car for a while, and then he was coerced to give his identification under threat of arrest. So, and you know, it happened. We've contacted the chief about it. I haven't heard anything back. Just contacted her again today, see if she wanted to respond to any of the concerns that I mentioned to her, as far as bringing him out into the street to pat him down. You know, the demeanor, the fact that the police initiated the conversation and then turned around and handcuffed him because he asked a question. The officer told him to hurry, and he said, "Is that a lawful order?" And then he gets handcuffed. So anyway, we're here, man. He's gonna do his thing. I'm gonna be backup camera today, and we're gonna see how this goes.
All right, awesome, people. Getting out of the vehicle. We're gonna go do a First Amendment audit. Kirby City Hall. Information on the outside doors. Information for the public. Pamphlets for the public. How you doing? How you doing? For the waterworks. Courts chambers. Awesome, people. Face mask for the people. I had one guy behind me in the office calling and informing somebody, don't know who yet, but I'm recording. About to find out. How you doing, sir? Is this where we get open records request? I need to get a open request. And where do we file the officer complaint form? Do we do that here, or do we go to Kirby Police Department? Okay, let me go and start with the open records request, if I can, sir. And what's your name?
Sorry?
What's your name?
My name is Marcus.
Marcus.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's some pins there. You can fill that out.
All right. I'll probably bring it back if that'll be all right. Okay. All right. Some people. Not a very big building. Some people.
Any issues yet?
Hmm?
Any issues yet?
Yeah. They do the officer complaint forms at the Kirby Police Department.
Any issues with filming or anything yet?
No.
Okay. So just let me know when you're done here.
All right.
Hey, can I want to build a fence, and I don't know what the rules are on like the height and all that stuff. Like my house already has an 8-foot fence already, but that was put in by the previous owner.
You can Texas sheepdog in the background.
But I don't know how that works because I know there's restrictions and stuff like that. So
There is, the ordinances and stuff are online right now. The person speaking should be at the office.
shit, okay, all right, that's
So
cool.
my understanding is you're going to replace the fence with the exact same fence?
Yeah, exact
line
same
and
height.
everything?
Yeah, it's just a replacement of what's there.
There won't be a permit for that.
There is a portion of the fence, like in the backyard, it's wooden.
Getting
And
information.
then there's about a 24-foot where the it's chain link. And because I guess for whatever reasons, they didn't have the money or whatever to go all the way across. So that chain link, I'm gonna take that down and just continue the 8 foot along that back there.
Yeah,
So that's my
yeah,
question.
just to make sure that.
Because that would be new construction, right?
Yeah, probably the right thing to do, just to make sure.
Yeah.
She'll be in on Thursday, but if you want to shoot her an email, or you can, just give us a call and.
Okay.
She can confirm.
Cool. In fact, the construction that's there, the infrastructure on it is for 6 feet. That's why it's doing this. So I'm gonna make it for 8-foot infrastructure the correct way, so.
Right.
The poles are only sunk like this far in the ground. Yeah, it's stupid.
So they're all.
Yeah, so. All right, cool. No, I appreciate you. Thank you.
All right.
All right. So they didn't have no issues with you filming or anything?
Yeah, no issues at all. When I did walk in, the guy that you were just talking to at the first desk, he looked back at somebody in another room and was saying, "Hey, there's somebody out here recording." I don't know who he was talking to.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if he was trying to get anybody or.
Let's walk around and see what the city hall's like.
All right. No
I see-
smoking.
I see a sidewalk here.
See people how it actually has a city ordinance. On most signs, they have to have a city ordinance sometimes in order to back up the law that they are trying to enforce. Most of the time, sometimes it's, just a sign, usually authorized personnel only. Clearly, there's no signs. Like, for instance, when we come up to this gate back here, everything's public accessible, there's no signs. But whenever you get to a point like this right here, it clearly says no trespassing. That means from this point on out.
So we're not going to touch any vehicles. All I'm going to do is just kind of look and do a kind of a little inspection. I'm looking to make sure the locks are locked, which it looks like they are. I'm looking for anything that a thief might want that they can see, like if there's a cell phone out or a gun out or something, jewelry, expensive sunglasses.
Correct?
You don't want to leave those things out where somebody could just walk up to your vehicle and see those things. Because
Look.
that's just inviting them.
They also have their own
That's just-
sunscreens here as well.
Yeah. That's just inviting them to break into your vehicle to get that valuable stuff.
Right.
And all I'll do is I'll just go let them know, hey, if I were a thief, your vehicle and the stuff inside of it look pretty tasty.
Oh yeah, for sure.
It's going to be 1, 2,
Yeah. I don't see
Delta
nothing
Victor.
there. All those
1,
vehicles
2,
look
3,
locked.
1, 2,
We'll go check this one over
Delta,
here.
Delta Victor 9, 2, 3.
And it's funny, people, they always talk about people videoing, but it doesn't matter which parking lot you walk to, no matter where you at, they want to make sure that they know that you know that you're on camera the full time.
They're already lying to the police.
Well, we know how to handle them. He said that the police have already been informed.
Yep, they're on the way.
5-7 copy call for a silent panic alarm at 112 Bowman, 112
They're hitting the
Bowman,
panic alarm.
City Hall.
They're hitting the panic alarm. That's so fucking hilarious.
You hear that, people? For filming on public property.
Yeah,
And remind y'all, we are on public property.
They hit the fucking panic alarm. That is fucking hilarious.
So we will have a reaction for sure. This is beautiful.
Fucking hilarious.
And by the way, share, like, subscribe, Texas Sheepdog 72. Man, he's an awesome guy. I've watching him for a long time. Amazing, amazing person. And no, people, we're not out here to start trouble. We are here basically
To help them out.
to help them out. We're trying to let everybody know. We're trying to educate people.
Oh, we get the chief responding?
Hi, baby. How are you?
Chief, this is Chief Cardona,
Cardona, nice to meet you.
and she's actually been pretty good.
Yeah.
So far, she's been able
How you doing?
to
How you
send
doing?
her responses to things.
What's your name and badge number?
This is Officer Thompson, 3776.
Thank you very much for that.
Oh, I can see the sun is blinding.
I know, it's bright. It's behind me.
We were
Yeah.
just, you came up and we were just fixing to go let them know that truck in the back over there, it's got a nice package in it.
Is that y'all's truck?
Yeah. No, look. Look. Let me show you. Come on, Chief. Not confusing. But I'll remember that. I'll remember that next time.
Being silly.
Look, there's a parking barricade inside. I figured out exactly.
You are smart.
Okay, so we're just gonna let them know that they got a package inside that it's very shiny. All the other vehicles are locked. The red one. We checked all the vehicles. Yeah, because we wanted to do when we put it on video, we wanted to make sure all the vehicles are locked. And if they were not locked, we were going to let them know they got locked up. And then also if there was anything of value out of the vehicle.
Kind of like a crime prevention.
Car 4103,
Oh, they got one package inside the vehicle there.
4183.
2357. You can cut loose.
We don't have to go find that. It's up to you. Yeah,
Not a big deal. Anything.
no, she's cool. She's totally
This
cool.
is Officer Lynette.
We got all the good cops
Officer
responding
Lynette.
today. And I told
Oh,
you,
yeah.
right? There's only like 2 or 3 that I'm concerned with.
Oh,
There's
yeah,
not
yeah,
any
yeah.
of them. I just told them we only got 2 or 3 cops that we're concerned with. The chief knows who they are. Y'all are not any of them. Yeah. But we're just gonna let them know that they got that package in that
Do
thing.
you want me to let them know or you want to let them know?
We're ready to move.
I'm here to hook you up. Whatever you need.
But it's
I
right.
can let
It's
them know.
right, and I think it's in the center console. It's just
Sure.
a shiny package.
Sure.
Probably
Yeah.
nothing. It might be even old lunch. Sure looks worth grabbing if you're a thief.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Out in that heat, it's going to smell real bad real quick.
Yes, and that's all. So
Well, it's not a problem at all.
they did great. Thank you guys. I'm glad you're showing up. Proactive.
I got a lead from the front, baby.
He's gonna make a complaint.
Yes,
This
correct.
is that guy told
Okay.
with that thing I emailed you about.
Okay.
Detainment.
Right.
That's him.
Okay.
And I think he wants to do a formal complaint on that incident. We were fixing to go over to the police station to
Yeah.
figure out how we can do that. I didn't know.
Then yeah, I can help you with that. That wouldn't be a problem at all.
Okay, yeah.
I
Oh,
can
that'd be
show
awesome.
you how to do that and how to get the paperwork going, and then we can start it.
Okay, awesome. I do appreciate the help too.
Absolutely.
And I'll
For
take
sure.
him over there. So you want to let him know? You want me
I'll let them know. We'll be
Okay,
good.
cool.
I appreciate
Let
it.
him know what we were doing.
I don't have a supervisor on duty other than myself right now. So
Yeah,
if you can give me a
totally
little bit while I get over there, no,
Even better.
I'll get over
Yeah,
there.
absolutely. I
Okay,
appreciate it.
awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it, y'all. All right, so we're going on to Kirby Police Department to go ahead and get a formal
Chief.
complaint office.
Hey, Chief, so they're not scared or anything? Like, we're not going to tell them what we're doing beforehand, but just so they're not scared, just let them know. I mean, we could be criminals the next time we come. You never know, right? Anybody can be.
scared of you.
Anybody can be a criminal.
I
But
think you're
that's,
fine.
just let them know that's all we were doing.
No, you're
Yeah,
fine.
yeah.
The only thing I will say is that was smart.
I'm not going to play games with you because I know you're one of the good ones. So.